Hello, welcome to Ev's Historical World, and welcome to Glastonbury Abbey. Looks of it, most of the windows were from the decorated period, despite the period it being from was actually the perpendicular and Tudor periods. The Lady Chapel looks tiny, but when you see over there, it's massive. You can see the Norman arches as well. And over there, to the left of Lady Chapel, is where St Dunstan's Chapel was, which I actually originally thought was the Lady Chapel, but then after realising how massive the Lady Chapel is, over there you can see the abbot's kitchen just behind this tree, which is a lot bigger than I first thought it would be, and it's the only mostly remaining building. Now, most of this building was massive, and this wouldn't be possible in the Saxon times, thanks to the Normans introducing vaulting and stronger arches. This would be possible.